Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change profile username into any hash string in Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a user profile and then in URL you see user. So this is a username. So mostly person log in with their username. So we are going to change it. Now go to ultimate member setting. So we are in general and then you see user. So click on it and then scroll down. You see profile, permalink base. Now you see username. So mostly member use username to log in our website. Now click on it and then you see first and last name with hyphen. You see multiple options, user ID, unique hash string. Now select this. If you want, you can select custom user meta. Now we select unique hash string and then scroll down, click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to user profile. Now you see URL. Now refresh the page and now you see user. So this is our hash string. Now back to setting. In setting you can select option according to requirement from drop down. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.